Tactical pants are basically the big brother of your good old cargo pants, with some noticeable upgrades for your tactical needs. The industry of tactical pants is still growing, and brands are bringing improved products every now and then. Among all these, buying a pair could be a real hassle. But don't worry, because we're here with our video on the top 7 best tactical pants for big guys. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Let's start with the CQR Tactical Cargo TKP 102, a great pair to add to your tactical pants collection from CQR. It doesn't matter if you're a military guy or an outdoor enthusiast. These pants will fulfill all of your tactical needs. When it comes to wearables, the first thing that comes to our mind is the material. This pair of tactical pants are made from 65% polyester and 35% cotton Duratex ripstop fabric, which can repel water with dust-proof performance. Now that we know about the materials, let's talk about the utility features. This pair of tactical pants have a dual-layer V-clip on pockets, a mag pocket to keep your magazines in a convenient place, a nickel-plated D-ring to keep your keys safe, and some Velcro-taped cargo pockets to keep your belongings safe and sound. These tactical pants can be easily fitted for a guy of 6 feet, 167 pounds, if you want to use a knee pad that can be bought separately. And there's a high-density metal alloy zipper with a rugged snap button. Thus, the CQR Tactical Cargo TLP 102 is a fade, shrink, and wrinkle-resistant pant, perfectly ready for your outdoor journey. Enjoy your outdoor recreational activities or your job in the defense sector without compromising practicality and style with these Pro Vector tactical pants from TrueSpec. These pants look very minimalistic and elegant with their sleek design, allowing you to transition the pants from a uniform to low-profile pants easily. Its integrated waistband is made of double weave, 91% nylon, and 9% spandex. The pants features 80% polyester and 20% cotton, which is stretchable and has water-repellent micro ripstop fabric, allowing you to wear them anywhere quickly. These minimal-looking tactical pants are equipped with ergonomically designed insert cargo pockets, a deep front pocket to keep your knife, and 2 concealed pockets for keeping your magazines and other accessories. You'll also be getting TrueSpec's Preem Snap with a YKK brass zipper and 7 belt loops for proper support. You have a wide range of sizes to choose from with these tactical pants, with hefty features along with a gusseted crotch, jean-style back pockets, and yoke. The TrueSpec Pro Vector is one of the most stylish wears for you. Next on our list, we have the MTAC Aggressor Flex with one of the best functionalities and is suitable for any outdoor survival trip or any tactical work. To provide you with a great outdoor experience, these tactical pants are made from cotton and polyester with light monophobic ripstop fabric. Not only that, they are water and mud resistant as they have Teflon coating. Feature-wise, this tactical pair of pants have 2 side pockets with reinforcements in the bottom to carry your knife, 2 pockets in the back, 2 cargo pockets with Velcro closure, and 1 magazine or phone pocket on the front side. Its elastic tunnel built makes it more versatile for every user, as you can adjust your waist according to your best fit. No worries with the closure, as the button and zipper are from class-leading manufacturer YKK. All in all, with all these features, MTAC Aggressor Flex weighs about 1.6 pounds, which makes them an excellent choice to fulfill your outdoor and tactical needs. If you're confused about getting tactical pants, wondering if they're worth it, or want a budget-friendly tactical pair of pants, then look no further than the 511 Tactical Ridgeline. These pants are made from 62% polyester and 38% cotton stretchable flex tack ripstock fabric, which makes these pants an ideal option for camping, hunting, or any other outdoor activities. It's got dual stitching to provide you with the durability you need while wandering in the woods. These budget-friendly pants feature a total of 10 multifunctional pockets. 8 of them are high-capacity pockets to stuff your regular hiking, camping, or hunting essentials. The rest are hidden pockets that allow you to keep your small tactical gear safe. Even after being a budget tactical pants, the 511 Tactical Ridgeline has some good specs, such as YKK's zipper and Teflon coating, making the 511 Tactical Ridgeline best in the budget segment. Looking for a pair of tactical pants without breaking the bank? The LA Police Gear Atlas will be the perfect choice for you, being an affordable but effective pair of pants in this list. As we discuss its materials, these tactical pants have 65% polyester and 35% cotton ripstock fabric, making them challenging but comfortable. Its Stretch Tech system allows you to have mobility according to your wish. Reinforced knee pads can be fitted eternally. Coming to its utilities and features, this pair of pants has a total of 10 pockets, including reinforced pockets to carry your hunting knife and magazines, along with zippered cargo pockets to keep your essential items safe and secure. The smooth zippers are from YKK and become smoother by day-to-day use. So, overall, being a tactical pant under $50, LA Police Gear Atlas takes this place on our list for having both versatility and affordability. Make every dollar you pay worth it with the Helicon Tex UTP, a pair of urban tactical pants with a lot of versatility and convenience for tactical use. This pair of tactical pants is different from any other pants on our list when it comes to materials. It's made from 60% cotton, 37% polyester, and 3% elastane. There is an elastic waistband with a Velcro fastener to adjust the pants however you need. Its belt loops are 50 millimeter wide and have 2 key loops compatible with a D-ring or carabiner. These tactical pants have 2 classical front pockets with strengthened edges to carry your gears without any issues. It also comes with 2 wide and 2 slim depth adjustable back pockets, along with 2 thigh cargo pockets, which feature YKK reverse coil zippers. 2 Velcro flap pockets are also present to carry your smartphones or magazines. In conclusion, if you're a guy who seeks quality products that are worth your hard-earned money, then the Helicon Tex UTP is for you. The Fast Tac from 511 takes first place on the list with its overall best quality and features to not only meet your tactical needs, but your outdoor adventure trips as well. If we look into its materials, these tactical pants are made from 100% polyester Fast Tac fabric to provide you with the best durability you can find in a pair of tactical pants. Being a 100% polyester product, this pair of pants has a better water-resistant finish than any other. It's got a flexible, self-adjusting waistband with 7 belt loops. It also comes with high-quality zippers from YKK. This pair has 9 pockets, including reinforced front utility pockets and 2 magazine pockets at the back when it comes to features. Both pockets are reinforced with nylon, making these tactical pants a great pair, no matter your purpose. All in all, the 511 Fast Tac is lightweight, breathable, and has a gusseted construction, making it the overall best pair of tactical pants you can find right now. So, that was our list of the top 7 best tactical pants for big guys. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.